Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're hanging out with some of the richest people on the planet. We're diving into their minds. 20 life lessons from billionaires. The stuff they did to get to the top. Elon Musk, Oprah, Bill Gates, the whole crew. This isn't just about getting rich. These lessons are about crushing it in life. Whether you're starting a business or just want to level up, this advice is gold. Lesson number 1. Embrace failure. Big risk takers like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos didn't just become billionaires. They had epic fails along the way. But they learned, iterated, and came back stronger. Bezos had failed businesses before Amazon. They saw failures as stepping stones. It's like leveling up in a video game. Embrace the stumbles, learn, and come back stronger. Alright, moving on to lesson number 2. And this one comes straight from the Oracle of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett. The dude's a legend, and he's got one major key to success. Never stop learning. I'm talking constant, never-ending, always be curious kind of learning. Seriously, this guy spends like 80% of his day reading. It's about being a sponge, soaking up information from everywhere you can. Podcasts, documentaries, articles, conversations with smart people. It all counts. The world is constantly changing. New industries are popping up, and technology is evolving faster than ever. Think about it. The skills that made you successful yesterday might not cut it tomorrow. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and devour knowledge like a hungry, hungry hippo. Lesson number 3 is all about taking risks. Not jumping out of a plane with no parachute, although that would be epic. I'm talking about calculated risks like Richard Branson. He started with nothing, just like most of us. He had an idea, and he went for it. Branson took a chance, and now he's chilling in space. He built empires, and it all started with a leap of faith. Even starting a YouTube channel is a risk. You're putting yourself out there hoping people will watch. Remember, fortune favors the bold. So, get out there and make it happen. Stay focused. We're talking Bill Gates level focus here, people. The dude's a genius, right? But it wasn't just luck that made him one of the richest people on the planet. Gates had a goal, and he went after it like a heat-seeking missile. He was all about building Microsoft, and nothing was going to distract him. No parties, no video games, just pure, unadulterated focus. Prioritize your goals. Let's talk about lesson number 5, and this one's a game changer. Value your time. Mark Cuban, the billionaire entrepreneur, once said, "The time is the most valuable asset you don't own." You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. Once it's gone, it's gone. Cuban's all about efficiency. He's famous for saying no to things that don't align with his goals. We should all be saying no a lot more. No to distractions, no to time wasters, no to anything that's not going to move us closer to our dreams. Lesson 6 is all about your network. Your network is your net worth. Oprah built an empire by connecting with people. She's a great listener, making people feel valued. Genuine relationships open doors to opportunities. You never know who might help you out. Build a strong network by meeting people. Join clubs, attend events, strike up conversations. It's about mutually beneficial relationships. Be genuine, helpful, and someone people want to be around. The right network can make all the difference.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy.
Lesson 7.
Had to work hard, struggle just
Persistence.
to be me. Had to rise up just so they could
You'll
see
face
me.
rejection and setbacks,
Did what I had to do
but
just to
billionaires don't
feed
give up.
me, and what was
Take
left
Jack
over,
Ma,
I put towards
founder
my
of Alibaba.
dreaming. But the
Rejected
only
from
thing in
Harvard
life
10
that has
times.
meaning
Couldn't get a
are the
job at
things you
KFC.
gotta work for, believe
Imagine
me.
being told no that many
Take
times.
into your hands a plan,
Jack
your
saw it as
own
a
hands
challenge.
can land your
He had a
own
vision and
brand,
was
damn,
determined.
I feel like no
Now,
one takes
he's one of the
accountability.
richest.
They want the
Proof that
credibility,
persistence pays off.
convincingly unwilling to
Use
put in the
setbacks as fuel.
hours it takes
Prove
to get some
everyone wrong.
power. Don't be
Success is a
sour,
marathon,
take a
not
cold
a sprint.
shower.
Alright guys, lesson number 8 is all about innovation. You can't just follow the crowd and expect to change the world. You gotta think different, just like Steve Jobs did. Jobs was obsessed with creating products that were not just good, but revolutionary. He didn't just want to make another computer. He wanted to make a computer that was beautiful, intuitive, and easy to use. And look what he did. He changed the way we interact with technology forever. The iPhone, the iPad, even the iPod. These were all game changers because they were innovative. They pushed boundaries and challenged the status quo. So what's your big idea? What problem are you going to solve in a way that's never been done before? Don't be afraid to think outside the box, to challenge conventional wisdom, and to take risks. The world rewards those who dare to innovate. So get out there, break some rules, and create something amazing. Alright guys, we've talked about taking risks, working hard, and building businesses. But you know what's even cooler than making $1 billion? Giving a bunch of it away. Seriously, almost every billionaire I know is out there making the world a better place. Take Bill Gates, for example. He's tackling poverty and disease. Or look at Warren Buffett. He's pledged to give away like 99% of his wealth. These guys are putting in the time and effort to make a real difference. And so yeah, making money is cool and all, but remember to give back. Every little bit helps. Yo, have you ever noticed that a lot of billionaires, like really successful people, are super down to earth? It's kind of wild. You'd think with all that money and fame, they'd be walking around with their noses in the air, right? But nope. Take Keanu Reeves, for example. This dude is a Hollywood legend, but he's known for being incredibly kind and humble. He gives away millions to charity, rides the subway, and treats everyone with respect. That's what's up. And it's not just Keanu. Look at guys like Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg. They're changing the world with technology, but they're still out there, working hard and staying grounded. They know that success isn't about showing off, it's about making a difference. So remember, no matter how much money you make or how famous you become, stay humble. Treat people with kindness. Be grateful for what you have, and never forget where you came from. That's how you win at life. Alright guys, let's talk about change. The world is changing faster than ever, right? Technology, trends, everything's constantly evolving. And if you want to succeed, you got to be able to adapt, like a chameleon blending into a rainbow. Think about Blockbuster. They were the kings of movie rentals, right? But they didn't adapt to streaming services like Netflix, and bam, they went extinct. Netflix, on the other hand, they saw the change coming and they rolled with it. Now they're a global empire. Or look at the music industry. Remember CDs? Yeah, me neither. But Spotify and Apple Music, they saw the shift to digital music and they adapted. Now they're the ones calling the shots. The point is, change change is inevitable. But instead of fearing it, embrace it, be open to new ideas, learn new skills, and don't be afraid to pivot your strategy. The more adaptable you are, the more successful you'll be in this crazy, ever-changing world. All right, guys, we're talking about billionaires and success, but none of that matters if you're not healthy enough to enjoy it. Ariana Huffington knows this better than anyone. She's built an empire and prioritizes health. It's about balance, sleep, good food, and distressing. Invest in yourself, guys. Eat right, get moving, get some rest. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Ariana's living proof you can be at the top and still prioritize well-being. Let's talk about passion, guys. You think Elon Musk woke up one day and said, "I'm gonna build rockets," but without any real feeling about it? No way. The dude's obsessed with space exploration. He's passionate, and that passion fuels his success. Think about the things you're naturally drawn to, the stuff that gets you fired up. Maybe it's coding, maybe it's fashion design, maybe it's starting your own business. Whatever it is, that passion is your superpower. So find your passion, guys, and don't be afraid to go after it with everything you've got. Who knows? It might just lead you to billionaire status. And even if it doesn't, you'll be doing what you love, and that's priceless. All right, let's talk money. Carlos Slim, one of the richest dudes on the planet, didn't get there by throwing money around. He's all about financial discipline. It means having a plan for your money, know what's coming in, what's going out, and avoid impulse purchases. Save and invest in your future. Make smart financial decisions like Carlos Slim. Make a budget, stick to it, and watch your money grow. All right, guys. Lesson number 15 is all about playing the long game, just like my man Jeff Bezos. You think Amazon was built in a day? Heck no. Bezos had a vision, a massive, world-dominating vision. He knew he wasn't going to be selling books out of his garage forever. He played the long game, reinvesting everything back into Amazon, expanding like crazy. He was thinking years, decades ahead. That's what you got to do. Don't get caught up in making a quick buck. Think bigger. Think long term. Think about building an empire. What are you going to be doing in 5 years? 10 years? What about 20 years? Start laying the groundwork now. Invest in yourself, your business, your future. Trust me, the payoff will be legendary. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a billion-dollar empire. Let's talk about resilience, people. Life's gonna throw you some curveballs, it's inevitable. But it's how you bounce back that defines you. Take Howard Schultz, the man behind Starbucks. Did you know he was rejected by over 200 investors when he started out? 200! I can't even imagine hearing no that many times. But Schultz, he's a fighter. He believed in his vision, and he wasn't going to let a few hundred rejections stop him. He persevered, and look at Starbucks now. It's everywhere. This is a major key, guys. You're going to face setbacks, disappointments, maybe even epic fails. But don't let it break you. Let it motivate you. Get back up, dust yourself off, and come back stronger. Remember, the most successful people are the ones who've learned from their failures and come back swinging. All right, next up is curiosity. You might think billionaires are just born knowing everything, but that's not how it works. The most successful people I know are insanely curious. They're like sponges, constantly soaking up information and asking questions. Take Bill Gates, for example. The dude reads like 50 books a year. He's always trying to learn new things, understand different perspectives. And Elon Musk, he's out there building rockets and electric cars. That takes some serious curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. The world is constantly changing, and if you're not learning and adapting, you're falling behind. So, be a sponge. Ask questions, read books, explore new subjects. The more you learn, the more you grow, and the more opportunities you unlock. All right, guys. Lesson number 18 is a big one. Lead by example. Billionaires like Elon Musk, they don't just bark orders from some fancy office. They're the first ones in the factory, working alongside their team. It's about showing up, putting in the effort, and inspiring your team by example. That's how you build a team that's going to conquer the world. All right, guys. Lesson number 19 is all about technology. You know, the stuff that makes the world go round. These billionaires, they're not sitting around waiting for the next big thing. They're out there embracing it. Take Bill Gates, for example. He saw the potential of computers way back when. And now look at Microsoft, or Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook. Talk about changing the way we connect. These guys are proof that if you're not on board with technology, you're going to get left behind. And it's not just about using the latest gadgets. It's about understanding how technology can impact your life and your business. We're talking about using social media to reach new customers, automating tasks to free up your time, you name it. So, don't be afraid to dive into the world of tech. Take some online courses, experiment with new apps, and stay curious. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the one inventing the next billion-dollar tech idea. All right, we're on the final stretch. Lesson number 20. Dream big. I'm talking huge, massive, mind-blowing dreams. Elon Musk wanted to colonize Mars. They don't limit themselves with small, achievable goals. They shoot for the stars, even if it seems impossible. Even if you miss, you'll land on the moon. Boom. 20 life lessons from some of the most successful people on the planet. I hope you guys are feeling inspired because I know I am. Remember, success leaves clues, and we just unlocked 20 of them. If you found these lessons valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread some inspiration and build an army of future billionaires. And before you go, make sure you check out our next video. We've got something even crazier planned for you guys. And trust me, you do not want to miss it. Until then, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next one.